Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will talk about everything you must know about Ethereum. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cryptocurrencies have become a hot topic over the past few years, with Bitcoin being the most well-known. However, there is another digital currency that is gaining traction and popularity: Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, using smart contracts. It has been gaining attention due to its potential to revolutionize industries beyond just currency exchange. But with all the buzz surrounding Ethereum, it can be challenging to understand its intricacies. In this video, we will demystify Ethereum and cover everything you need to know about this exciting platform. From its history and background to its unique features and potential applications, we will provide a comprehensive overview of Ethereum that will help you understand what makes it such a promising technology. 1. Introduction to Ethereum and its significance in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and one name that has consistently stood out is Ethereum. If you've been even remotely interested in the world of digital currencies, you've likely come across this term. But what exactly is Ethereum, and why is it so significant? In simple terms, Ethereum is an open-source blockchain platform that enables users to build and deploy decentralized applications, DApps. While Bitcoin paved the way for digital currencies, Ethereum expanded the possibilities by introducing a programmable blockchain. This groundbreaking feature of Ethereum has revolutionized various industries and opened up a world of possibilities. Smart contracts enable the automation of tasks, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing costs. They can be used for a wide range of applications, from decentralized finance, DeFi. 2. Understanding the basics: what is Ethereum and how does it differ from Bitcoin? If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, understanding the differences between Ethereum and Bitcoin can be a great starting point. Ethereum, often referred to as the world computer, is not just a cryptocurrency but a decentralized platform that enables the creation and execution of smart contracts. These smart contracts are self-executing agreements with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. On the other hand, Bitcoin is the pioneer and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created as a decentralized digital currency, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority. One key difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is their primary focus. While Bitcoin primarily serves as a digital currency, Ethereum aims to provide a platform for developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, using smart contracts. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating various applications, ranging from finance and supply chain management to gaming and decentralized exchanges. 3. The Ethereum blockchain: how does it work and what are its key components? The Ethereum blockchain is a decentralized, open-source platform that enables the creation and execution of smart contracts. At its core, it functions as a distributed ledger, or a digital database, that records transactions and interactions across a network of computers. Unlike traditional centralized systems, where a single authority controls and verifies transactions, the Ethereum blockchain relies on a network of nodes to validate and add new blocks of transactions to the chain. This decentralized approach ensures transparency, security, and immutability of data. One of the key components of the Ethereum blockchain is Ether, ETH, the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Ether serves multiple purposes within the Ethereum ecosystem. It is used as a means of exchange for transactions and also as an incentive for miners who maintain the network's integrity by solving complex mathematical problems. 4. Smart contracts: exploring the power and potential of programmable agreements. Smart contracts have emerged as one of the most revolutionary aspects of Ethereum, unlocking a world of possibilities and transforming traditional agreements as we know them. These programmable agreements, built on the Ethereum blockchain, offer a secure. By leveraging blockchain technology, smart contracts eliminate the need for trust in traditional contractual relationships. 5. Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. A closer look at the engine behind Ethereum. When it comes to understanding Ethereum, it's crucial to take a closer look at the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. The EVM serves as the engine that powers the entire Ethereum network, making it a fundamental component of this decentralized platform. The EVM is often referred to as a Turing-complete virtual machine, which means it can execute any algorithm or computation. This flexibility allows developers to create and deploy smart contracts on the Ethereum network, enabling decentralized applications, DApps, to run smoothly. One of the key features of the EVM is its bytecode language, known as Ethereum Virtual Machine Code, EVM code. This low-level programming language is specifically designed for executing smart contracts on the Ethereum network. It ensures that every node in the network executes the same instructions, ensuring consistency and trust. We hope you found our video on Ethereum informative and helpful in demystifying this popular cryptocurrency. Understanding Ethereum can be a complex task, but we have provided you with everything you need to know to navigate this digital landscape with confidence. From its origins to its unique features and potential applications, we have covered it all. Take this knowledge and dive into the world of Ethereum with a newfound understanding and excitement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel.